Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the huge vacancies notification or the advertisement from one of the college guys. So here the assistant professor, associate and professor vacancies and the non-teaching vacancies are also there from the multiple departments. Okay, so please utilize this opportunity, and the candidates who are having only post-graduation in these departments, even though if you are not having the UGC NET or PhD also, no problem, you can apply for this one guys. Okay. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. To the present content of the video, so it is ICFAI University from Tripura. So in this university here we got the recruitment notification for professor, associate and assistant professor as well as the non-teaching staff. So first click on this one, that is the recruitment notification of the teaching positions. So here you may check down. So ICFAI University from Tripura. So looking for the teaching positions in the following departments. So in the engineering, civil, EC and EEE, and in the computer science engineering, artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, R programming, IoT, cloud computing, so all these things. And while coming to the mechanical engineering, and coming to the science, mathematics, physics and chemistry, and in data science, statistics, big data analysis, and coming to the law, international law, cyber law, criminal law and IPR and corporate, and coming to the education, social studies, education, technology, perspective of education and physical education, and in the management, operations, HR, systems, agribusiness, rural management, okay, business analytics and HR analytics, and in commerce, accounting, finance and taxation. Coming to the liberal arts, okay, English, sociology, psychology, clinical psychology with the MPhil or PhD, and political science or history, and soft skills. The job involves the training and preparing the students for job prospects in corporate, foreign languages, German, Spanish, French and Chinese, and library science, library automation, academic library, and yoga, special education, and allied health sciences, nursing, and the food technology. So these are the different departments, guys. So really, it is a very good, huge vacancies recruitment from this college or else this university. And the applicants should have the PG, preferably UGC NET with PhD. So preferably they are given. So if you're having the post graduation also, then try to apply this in appropriate discipline with first class at the preceding degree. In addition, the teaching, research, industry experience as applicable for the different positions, and remuneration as per the university norms. So the salary is not a constraint for a deserving candidate. And if you are interested, you may send your detailed resume through email by mentioning the position for what you are applying, okay, in subject line to careers@iutripura.edu.in immediately. Alternatively, they may send their resume by the courier or else the speed post. But anyhow, it is better to send your resume through this provided mail ID. Okay, so these are the details, guys. Okay, and next, while coming to the non-teaching staff positions, so you may check down. So this is the notification, recruitment notice for the non-teaching staff here. Admission marketing, counselor admin, MIS, corporate relationship management is a replacement. Hostel administration, electrical engineer, system development and physics lab, chemistry lab, civil, ECE, EEE, ME and CSE lab technicians. So here eligibility criteria, candidate should be graduate or postgraduate with minimum of 2 to 5 years of relevant experience in the respective field. And all candidates should be computer savvy and should have excellent communication skill in English. So freshers can also apply here. And interested candidates may send your resume to careers@iutripura.edu.in immediately. Right? So these are the non-teaching as well as the teaching vacancies. So if you are a graduate or postgraduate in these relevant fields, then you may apply for the non-teaching. Or else if you are in the post-graduation in the fields whatever mentioned here, so then you may apply this. So UGC NET and PhD candidates will be preferable. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And for more advertisements, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide